everybody. So today I have my daughter Sarah with me from the Crazie
What's up, crew?
And we are going to be making a recipe for you. It's called cloud bread and it is keto friendly. It's grain-free, gluten-free, low carb,
Soy-free.
Not egg-free.
No,
It's got eggs.
And dairy.
So we're going to put that together with some BLTs and we're just going to get started now. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we've got all our ingredients are ready. We are starting with pasture-raised organic eggs, which is kind of hard to find. I like to get the pasture and organic. I don't know why, but I can only find them at Sprouts. So we are
Which
going
there's
to...
not Sprouts everywhere, so.
Yeah, that's true.
There's only, I think they're only in like Southern California and like Arizona area.
Oh, really?
Well,
Other times you can find them other places. Okay, so we separated the eggs, and what we're going to do is beat the egg whites first and make them pretty much into a meringue. We want them stiff. So let's do that. Filling it.
So here we are with the egg whites. Make the meringue.
Okay, so you want to make sure you're getting stiff peaks with this. Don't stop until it's nice and stiff. Because that really makes the difference. Okay, so what we've got here is really nicely beaten egg whites, just the egg whites. And we're going to put it into a separate bowl. Oh, that's really nice and stiff. Wow, we did this recipe once before and we were pretty disappointed because we
look at those eggs.
Yeah.
Actually it turned out good though.
Yeah,
tasted good.
They did. But it was kind of hard because we did just one recipe and now we're doubling it. So the one recipe, if you have a mixer like this, it wasn't enough for the mixer to get down there.
Yeah, it wasn't beating it enough. There wasn't enough eggs.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we've got this nice meringue here and set that aside, and now we're going to add the 4 ounces of cream cheese because we are doubling this recipe to the mixing bowl, and we are going to beat that. And what you do is you add the egg yolks one at a time until they're thoroughly blended, and the idea is to get this batter really smooth. Okay?
How are you going to add them one at a time?
Slow.
We improvise a little.
Yeah. Down there. There we go.
1.
Well, I don't know if I can do this 8 times so perfectly, but
2.
I only broke
3.
one of the yolks.
So this cloud bread is Italian cloud bread. You don't have to put this in.
You know, it's not really noticeable. It's
I
optional.
thought it was good when I had it before.
Yeah. So this is...
But you don't have to put the Italian herbs because you might want to use this for like, I don't know, with jam or something.
Right, yeah.
Like
so
sweet.
this one has Italian herbs in it, and it's two teaspoons since we're doubling it.
Because we're making BLTs. We're not using these for like the sweet.
And then we have 1 teaspoon sea salt. Okay. And a teaspoon of garlic powder.
Ooh, okay, yeah. See, you don't want to eat that with the sweets.
I was kind of thinking the same thing, like if you wanted to do like this like as a breakfast bread, I was thinking maybe I should try it with cinnamon, vanilla, and maybe Truvia. I was thinking because if you don't want to add too much liquid because it might change the recipe, so that might be something to try.
Probably.
That might be good. So, okay, we're going to blend this now. Okay,
I get to do something now.
So this is where we are going to take them and mix them
Take
together.
the egg whites and the other mixture and gently fold.
Gently fold.
Gently
Yeah.
fold.
You don't want to overmix this. You want it to stay fluffy. Okay, so
Gently fold.
they didn't say you had to do it a little bit at a time. I think you could just dump it and then
Oh, well, there's just so
gently
much I
fold.
wasn't sure.
Yeah. Last time we did this, we just did one recipe and it just didn't make enough for our crowd.
There's Lucia in the background.
When we make recipes around here, we really like to double it.
Well, we have a lot
plenty.
of people in our family too. Not that we always eat together, but like, it's nice. Like, Brian eats a lot, so
Yeah.
I normally always like double a recipe.
Okay, so that's all blended, and we have the oven turned on to 300, and we are going to start lining this on a parchment covered cookie sheet. Okay, so here we go.
So we're just gonna use a 1/4 of a cup to make the little bread pieces. And we're gonna dump it onto the pan.
Cookie sheet.
I don't have words.
Those look
sometimes.
pretty big. Oh, you're
Well,
making
you-
them big. Okay.
Yeah, you're supposed to flatten them a little bit because otherwise they'll
Yeah.
stay.
You can make these, you know, whatever
know if I
size you
have
want,
time.
I suppose. These are a little bit bigger than we did last time.
Are they? You said that he wanted them.
Yeah,
That
well,
my dad wanted them bigger.
yeah.
I guess.
I gave some to my husband. He's like, this is a little small. But, you know, for me, the small was fine because it's just lower calorie and I'm satisfied with, you know, getting a
The
sandwich.
men like a big sandwich.
Yeah. So,
I'm making these a little messed up. I feel like I don't know why. I should have made it more like that.
yeah.
But you know,
That one
I'm
looks
not
better.
I'm not a chef.
So,
Trying it out.
don't be worried. The mixture is really foamy, okay? So don't think, oh, what is this? It's not going to work. That's what I thought, but it works. So we have our cloud bread and we're going to pop it in the oven at 300 degrees. Okay, so we've made the cloud bread and Sarah's going to pull them out of the oven.
You want to help me
And
with
let's
it?
check out how they look.
Ta-da!
You can put it right here. Nice. Okay, so we've got our BLT spread here, and
We're gonna use some of this bread.
yeah, she's gonna make herself a sandwich. And I just
So
wanted to,
hungry, guys.
I am too. I just wanted to take a minute and share with you guys how I make my bacon. Usually I like to cook it in the oven because I find that it's way less messy and it's just as delicious. I just, you know, put it on a piece of foil on a cookie sheet.
The bacon.
The bacon. And I cook it at about 375 to 400, depends on your oven.
Melts in your mouth.
Yeah, and I cook it ahead now because we were going to go on a family vacation, and I thought, well, I really want bacon, you know, every day, and I don't want to have to cook it all the time. So
It's always a mess on the stove.
yeah, it's such a mess. And so I thought what I'd do is try to, you know, see if I could make it ahead. And so what I do is I just cook it, and then I, you know, lay it on paper towels and separate the layers, and then I stick it in the fridge, you know, up to like 5 days. And I keep it in the foil, and then when it's time to eat, like if you're gonna have a brunch or something like that, and you don't wanna have to make bacon at the last minute, it's really great.
Oh, it's so good.
Yeah, you just have to remember to take all those paper towels out before you pop it in the oven. So anyway, that makes life a lot easier. So Sarah's gonna take a bite now. Okay, so what do we think,
So
Sarah?
this is not a low-calorie food, guys. This is a BLT.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
it's low carb. That's the point. So a lot of people, it depends on the diet they're on, whatever. Like some people are allergic to gluten and stuff like that. So this is great.
Yeah.
This is going to be super delicious.
Well, and we added cheese and tomato and lettuce, and I forgot to get the avocado out.
Oh.
Normally we have avocado. That would add it even more fat. So if you're into the keto, yeah, that's gonna be good.
Oh my goodness.
Yay! Okay, good. So I think this is what the fam's gonna have for dinner,
Look
huh?
at, the bread is great.
Yeah, good.
This is for a keto. This is perfect for keto.
Is this my bite?
No grapes on keto.
Let me have that. I'm gonna have a bite.
No. It's mine.
I don't want to make
No, it's mine. Okay.
I have to have a bite. I have to have a bite.
It's actually really good.
Mmm.
Yeah.
I think I like that better than regular bread.
It's delicious.
Because it's not overwhelming. And you can taste all the
It depends. A lot of people, I mean, come on. Let's say sourdough is really good.
Yeah, but this is really
But
good.
this is delicious. You won't feel like you're really missing the bread.
Yeah.
And keto, I've been doing keto for, I don't know, 3 weeks now. I just started it for like numerous health benefits and stuff. I have felt a lot better, had, you know, a lot more energy and stuff. So I so far really enjoy it, and you could eat delicious food like this.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'll stay on it forever.
It's not about losing weight.
Yeah, I've lost a couple pounds, not a ton, but I do feel better.
Yeah, and she has said that she's been feeling better in a bunch of different ways. So.
More energy.
Okay, so if you liked this recipe and you have any ideas of your own, please list them in the comments below, and don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. See you soon.